This is from a company I have yet to try, but I gotta say, at least the hair quality is giving me life, you guys. Tell me this hair is not giving you guys bundle vibes, honey.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Look, you gon' be my man or not? Kick it in the sand or not? Grip it like a band or not? Lick it like a stamp or not? You gon' one that stand or not? Ice up on my hand or not? We gon' free some bands or not? Leave me where I stand or not? We gon' make some plans or not? Please me with them hands or not? Is you a fan or not? Do you understand or not? You gon' come back home or not? Leave my ass alone or not? Pick up your phone or not? Get inside my zone or not? Is you gon' ride or not? Even through all the flaws, is you gon' hide or not? Cause I've been seeking cause and feeling freaking lost. I think I paid the cost, been living like a boss. So guess I'll take the loss.
There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around.
Ha, you know you better get it together. I know you never thought I'd forget it forever. Never been in endeavor, pretending under the pressure. I'm here to bless ya, it's clear I don't wanna stress ya. You hate to party, but never forget my birthday. Birthday, work, ay, hit me where it hurts, ay. I go berserk, they drinking like they thirsty. And in the worst way, just to numb the hurt, babe. Living like the worst day, thinking I've been cursed, ay. You gotta work late, sinking in the worst way.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a unit from a company that I've never reviewed before. This is from the company Brazilian Secret, and I'm wearing this one in the style MDL Wet and Wave in the color number 1. So let's just pop right into the specs of this unit. So with this unit, you do get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as their adjustable straps. This one does also come with an elastic band. It also does come with 13x6 parting space, as well as a little bit pre-plucked, and it does come with baby hairs as well. So let me just come in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like. In my opinion, it's not the most pre-plucked, but it's definitely something that you can work with. You can always still go in and pluck out some more hairs if you want to make the hairline look a little bit less dense, because they do give you enough lace to actually do that around the perimeter of the unit if that is what you're feeling, honey. So the cap size on this unit is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. This one definitely is not giving me big head friendly vibes, so it's on the smaller to medium size, and it's fitting my head pretty snug. So I do think if you do have a larger size head, this one will not be for you. So the texture on this unit is coming off a mix between soft and medium yaki. It's kind of on the harder side, if that makes any sense. The texture is a little bit weird, but I did realize the more that I finger combed it out, I started to like the texture even more. It started getting more soft. Initially, straight out of the box, it kind of had that hardened yaki texture, if that makes any sense. But the more that I finger combed it out, I kind of got more of a natural vibe to it, and I'm liking the texture the more and more that I combed it out. The length on this one is definitely on a very natural side, which I really love. It got some kind of like layers going on here, which is super cute, and I don't feel the need to face frame or anything like that. So let me just show you where it's coming on me, and I'm 5'3" for reference. The density on this unit is definitely more on the natural side. It's about 150%. I wouldn't say it's any more than that. It's probably between 130% and 150%. Of course, you can get some more volume going the more that you finger comb it out if you don't like that super flat hair look. So I feel like this is honestly very beautiful. It's right in the middle. It's just what I would be looking for as far as the summer is concerned. And this unit is also heat safe up to 377 degrees if you did plan on adding heat to this unit. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. One of the cons I have with this unit is probably going to be the hairline. hairline. I wish it was plucked a little bit more, but like I said, this is definitely one you can put that work into if you want to make it look more natural. But straight out of the box, I don't really feel like it was a throw on and go. I feel like you kind of have to do a little bit of work to make it look more natural, but not a ridiculous amount of work. So I feel like that wasn't a gigantic con for me, but definitely just something to note if you do plan on picking this unit up. It's not the most plucked, so if you do want a nice and realistic natural look, I definitely would recommend going in and plucking it out yourself. Yeah, so honestly, that's probably my only con. My pros on this unit are going to be, I think this curl pattern is very beautiful. I like the fact that the more I finger combed it out, it got more soft with time, so I do like that a lot. I think the cut is super nice. I like these little layers that are going on here. The length is nice. The density is beautiful and natural. It's lightweight on my head. I like the fact that you get a good amount of parting space, even though I would say it comes off more of a 13x5 than a 13x6, but nonetheless, I do feel like it is enough parting space for me. And I do like the fact that with the parting space, you definitely do have that versatility to style this unit how you want to, so I'm here for that. As a whole, I feel like this unit is cute, and I possibly would pick it up again just because I feel like it's a super cute look and the length is perfect, and I feel like this would definitely be a cute one to get away with for the summer. But honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want me to pick up and any other colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.